Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your WordPress website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your WordPress editor. Click the plus block inserter button. Navigate to the part of your page where you want the lead generator. In the block menu, search for code and drag it to your page. A code editing box will appear. Paste the lead generator link you copied into this box. To preview it, click the code icon in the block toolbar. Transform to Custom HTML. You'll now see a small preview box showing how your lead generator will look on your site. Once placed, you can adjust its position or styling as you like. Camera access is supported on WordPress. Don't forget to enable it in your website settings so visitors can take a photo directly. To make it work, your iframe must include the permission Allow Camera. And that's it! Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your WordPress site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching!